Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your iPhone sound louder. So there are actually two ways in order to make your iPhone sound quite a lot louder. So the first one is within the settings app, and the second one is actually using Spotify, and there you can also make your sounds a lot harder. So the first thing you want to do if you want to make your overall sounds a bit harder is what you can do is open the settings app on your iPhone, and then you want to scroll down until you find sounds and haptics. And you want to scroll down again until you find headphone safety. And you want to make sure to reduce low audio. You want to make sure that this is disabled. What does this do? It will basically, if this is enabled, it will literally just reduce loud audio, basically how it says to do. And when you disable it, it will not, and it will just give you the loudest sounds possible. So I would recommend making sure that reduce loud audio is disabled if you want the hardest sounds from your iPhone. Now, like I already said, we can also change our sound loudness over in Spotify for music, and this will definitely help quite a lot, and you will definitely feel the difference. So what you want to do is you want to open your Spotify app just like I have, and you want to go to the top left corner of your screen at your profile picture. Then you want to click on settings and privacy, and literally all we're going to do is click on playback right here, and you want to scroll down. Here we have volume level, and I would recommend putting this on loud if you want to have the loudest music possible over from your music. If you put it on normal, it will be normal, and quiet is quiet obviously. So if you want the loudest volume possible, just click on loud, and this will definitely help quite a bit. So that's how you can make your iPhone sound louder. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.